Searching for a free VPN on the App Store usually leads to a wall asking for your credit card to start a free trial. By the end of this video, you will have a functional VPN running on your iPhone without ever typing in your payment details. To start, you need an iPhone, an active internet connection, and access to the App Store. You also need to know your lock screen passcode, which we will use later to authorize network changes. Having these ready is the only way to bypass the usual marketplace traps and establish a private connection. Scan this QR code or click the direct link in the description below rather than searching the App Store manually. If you search by hand, you will find a lot of ad-heavy clones designed to look like the real thing. The specific application we are installing today is Planet VPN. On the store page, you can ignore the disclaimer about in-app purchases. The download and the core features we need are cost-free. Securing this specific software package helps you avoid the subscription traps found in manual searches. Once the app is installed, open it and accept the privacy policy to reach the main menu. Next, you will see a screen attempting to sell you premium features and ad removal. Look closely at the bottom of this screen. Right here, circled in green, is the muted text that says "Continue for free." Tap that. Selecting this option gives you access to the location masking tools without triggering a trial. Knowing how to find these hidden buttons allows you to keep your financial information completely private, while others might trigger an unwanted subscription. From the dashboard, tap the country list and select a free server like Germany or France to start the connection. A system alert will immediately appear asking for permission to add VPN configurations. This prompt is a standard Apple security requirement for adding any new network tool. Tap Allow and input your iPhone's lock screen passcode to verify the change. This step only happens the first time you set up the profile. Entering your passcode authorizes the iPhone to apply these new routing rules to your system settings. Stay in the app for a moment until the status updates to show you are connected. Check the top right corner of your screen. The small VPN icon next to your battery indicator shows the connection is active. To see the result for yourself, close Planet VPN and open Safari to check how websites now identify your location. Go to google.com and scroll to the bottom of the page. Look at this comparison. On the right, the language has changed to French, and the region tag shows the country you selected. Seeing these completely localized search results visually confirms that your device is now effectively appearing in a completely different country. This works across all data pathways. Whether using Wi-Fi, 4G, or 5G, your traffic is routed through this tunnel to your chosen location. To change locations, return to the app, disconnect, and select a different country. The tunnel moves to the new server. You now have control over your digital location whenever you need it. If this helped you set up your VPN for free, feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more guides. Changing your digital location doesn't require a premium budget, just a few specific steps in the right app.